Hey, beauties. We're back on another DIY and we're making our very high shine and moisturizing clear lip gloss. Let's get into the video. Alright, we're starting off with our Versagel from No Problema. They are one of my favorite brands to use for my Versagel because their Versagel base is so lightweight and already has a lot of added minerals and moisture to their Versagel. So I'm going to use about half of this Versagel base for my clear lip gloss. Starting off, I'm going to add my jojoba. I can never pronounce it. Jojoba oil. I use Argan Oil, however you say it, and grapeseed oil. I am trying to stray away from coconut and almond oil and only use a very little grapeseed oil because it has a strong tint to it and I want my gloss to be very clear. And then of course vitamin E. We're going to add a few drops of it, as well as a preservative. This is Cap 2, and you can purchase this from TKB. I've had it for some time now because the label has rubbed off. You add that in there too. Just add some Lifetime to your glosses. Then you're just gonna keep mixing, and I'm looking for this certain consistency. Right now it's too thick, so you'll gradually see me adding oil to try to loosen this mixture up. So I'm just adding in some more oil, a little at a time, not too much because I don't want it to be too loose. And me doing this for some time now, I kind of can eyeball it. And once you get in the hang of making lip gloss, you'll kind of know the consistency that you're looking for when you're making lip gloss. This definitely will give your arm muscles some real workouts. Okay, now I'm going to add my flavoring into it, give it a nice smell, just a few drops, not too many, to the lip gloss base. And as you can see, the consistency is just about where I need it to be. Okay, this is a new method I got from another YouTuber where she adds it into the condiment bottles that you can purchase at your local dollar store, Dollar Tree. And then you are supposed to add a pipette at the end of it, and you will see my mess up from there. I didn't realize I was out of the size pipette that I needed for this video, but I'm gonna press on and keep on and try to make things happen, and you'll see why you need the pipette further on in the video. Trying to not get so many air bubbles and so forth. So just learn from my mistake right here. That is a very much of a transparency moment for me. So yeah, I'm just cleaning off the container, and I'm going to show you my little mistakes along the way. And then I did try to get one of my smaller pipettes and try to squeeze it in the tubes and into my wand tubes and my plastic tubes, but it just was a hot mess. And this method is supposed to help eliminate mess, but yeah, just make sure you have everything before you start. But using this method is very, 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 very helpful. It eliminates you having to buy so many syringes, which are very costly when you're trying to make lip gloss. And then it's a great way to store your extra lip gloss base. So yeah, definitely get into this method, and I will tag her in my video in the description box below so you can see the proper way of how she did this method to lip glosses. So I'm going to stop rambling for now, and that was pretty much it on doing clear lip gloss. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please, please, please smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more DIYs, small business tips, and more. Love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye now. Y'all try not to make the mistake like me. We see all the air bubbles, try to get as much product in as possible. But really quick, I'm going to show you how I label my squeeze tube and wand tube bottles after I've filled all my glosses. I purchased my transparency labels from a vendor off of Alibaba. So definitely check Alibaba out if you're into starting a cosmetic or a lip gloss brand. They have a lot of great different type of products and services offered there on Alibaba. Y'all be sleep on Alibaba and AliExpress, but those are my go-to vendors for things for my business. So definitely give them a check out on Alibaba.